morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about science skills that requires for this course. In this PSS chapter, we are going to learn about measurements. What are uncertainties in these measurements? How do we measure length, mass, volume? And what are significant digits? How do we express small and too large numbers through scientific notation? So let's start with measurement. Measurement is a number with a unit attached. For example, 5 centimeter. 5 is a number and centimeter is a unit. Each measurement has some inexact numbers, uncertainty. And that uncertainty is through types of the equipment that we use for measurement or human error. We generally use metric system and centimeter. The symbol is CM for length measurements. The gram symbol is G is for mass measurements, and the milliliter ML is for volume measurements. Let's measure the length of a candy cane. We have two rulers, ruler A and ruler B. Both measures 10 centimeter, length up to 10 centimeter. But you can see ruler A has 0 to 1 centimeter. There are no small markings in between. In ruler B, we have 0 to 1 centimeter, but it has 0.1 centimeter divisions in it, small markings in it. Now let's take an example of metallic rectangular solid we have, and we are going to measure with ruler A and B. This solid, when we measure with ruler A, it gives length 4.2 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Because ruler A has 1 centimeter division, and we can estimate length to plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Ruler B has 0.1 centimeter division, and we can estimate length to plus or minus 0.05 centimeter. So the length of this rectangular solid is 4.25 plus or minus 0.05 centimeter. So we can tell ruler B is more precise than ruler A, because ruler A gives 4.2 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter, and ruler B gives measurements of the same object, which is 4.25 plus or minus 0.05 centimeter. So we can say that ruler A has more uncertainty than ruler B. And ruler B gives a more precise measurements. Why? Because you can see small markings which we can measure the object very precisely. Now let's talk about mass. Mass of an object is a measure of the amount of matter it affected. Okay, how do you measure mass? You can see triple beam balance, pen balance, electronic balance, and its mass is not affected by gravity, while weight does. For example, my weight on earth is 100 pounds, but when I go to moon, it's 1/3 of my weight. Why? Because due to gravity. So mass does not affect by gravity, but weight affect by gravity. So mass and weight are not interchangeable. There is a common misconception that mass and weight are same. No, it isn't, because one is affected by gravity, one does not. Now let's talk about volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a solid, a liquid, or a gas. There are several instruments for measuring volume of liquid: graduated cylinder, syringe, burette, pipette, and volumetric flask. We'll talk about significant digits in our next lecture.